It is made from a mixture of agricultural byproducts and other organic materials such as straw, leaves, and wood chips. These ingredients are combined in specific proportions to create the ideal environment for mushroom growth. After the mushrooms have been harvested, the remaining compost can be used as a fertilizer for plants and gardens. The nutrient-rich benefits of using mushroom compost. One of the main benefits of using mushroom compost is its high concentration of nutrients. The compost contains large amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, and trace elements like copper, iron, zinc, and manganese. These nutrients help to promote healthy plant growth and increase crop yields. Additionally, because mushroom compost is rich in humus, it helps to improve soil structure and texture, making it easier for roots to penetrate and absorb water and nutrients. Environmental impact of using mushroom compost. Using mushroom compost has many environmental benefits. First, it reduces waste by repurposing agricultural byproducts that would otherwise go to landfills. Finally, because mushroom compost is so nutrient-rich, it can help to reduce the amount of chemical fertilizers that are applied to crops, which can have negative impacts on human health and the environment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.